I've been really into arpeggios lately, so this is another quick arpeggio study that I got again from the Yngwe malmsteen licks and riffs. It's going to sound something like this. Now I'm going to take you through super slow motion, focus up really close, and you can follow the numbers, the tab. I'll be sending through a PDF as well to you, so you can work with the PDF for the tablature. It's a short study, but here we go. We're going to start with pull off, so it's the first one, and then you start again on the same C note and put it together. You get this really nice combination. Now the trick is not to have any string noise as you go through it. When you go to the next one, it's going to be 2 frets higher. I'm starting now at the 7th fret, as you can see on the PDF, I'm sure. It's going to go. Now I'd like you to do it with a lot of high gain, in other words with a lot of overdrive or a lot of distortion, and the main reason for that is if you have any string noise, like if this happens, you can quickly hear that there's 2 strings there, not nice and quiet with 1 string at a time. So the overdrive or distortion allows you to hear what you don't want to hear. In other words, it forces you to clean up your picking playing. Okay, so one more time now, both bars together, slow motion. And then simply repeat it. And I'm going to break down exactly what's actually happening over here, because each group of notes, that is actually an arpeggio for the chord F. And if you think about it, there's the chord D, normal D chord. And if I go to D sharp, E, there's my F. So it's based on a D-shaped chord slid up to the F. Okay. So once you got your F, that note is C, it's part of this. So these notes combined, C, A, F, C, actually make up the chord F major, F, A, C. Okay, so one more time, nice and smooth. The next one's going to be a D7. It starts again on the note C, which happens to be the 7th or dominant 7th rather, flattened 7th of the D major scale. For those that know the theory, C, A, F sharp, and then you get your D over here. So it's actually quite clever. They've looked for a sort of a pivot note or a common note to both, if you want to call it that. And both F and D7 have a C note. And if you think of the D chord, normal is a bar chord. There's your bar chord. Adding it in, and those 2 notes, 3 notes rather, sorry, form part of the bar chord as I showed you. And you've got your D7 arpeggio. Now the trick is to move from one to the other without missing a beat, something like this. Then you shift up 2 frets really quick. And you start with what looks like the same, but instead of going here, your ring finger comes in there. Because you'll see on the tab, it's got that 9 sitting over there, and that changes it to an E minor 7 chord. D, B, G, and E. Those 4 notes make up E minor 7. I don't want to get too much into theory right now because it's boring. I want us to learn the exercise, but also to know that you're not just playing random notes, you're actually playing the chords so far, F, D7, E minor 7. And the last part, which is going to go, is basically the E7, and all that's happened over here is they've raised the G to a G sharp, and that changes the chord E minor 7 to E7. So here's E minor 7 and E7. Now you want to combine them both together, so if you want to take us through slowly with me, 2 and 3 and 4 and... and then gradually just take it faster and faster and faster. And as I said, this is meant to be a quick study, so I'm not going to sit and go faster and faster and faster, and that's your exercise. I still haven't got this anywhere near the speed I want to, so I'm sharing with you as I'm growing myself. If you've got any questions, Have an awesome day, and don't forget to let me know. And if you need the PDF with the tabs on, drop me a WhatsApp or just inbox me. Be happy to help you out. Take care. Cheers.